Okay, now 3Dcoat is opened, and I need first to export the original mesh from ZBrush. So the mesh is active, and I'm going to do an export turtle master 01. I will say for Retopo. Then it's okay. It's exported. And in 3Dcoat, I want to perform a retopology. I click on perform retopology, and I will import a reference mesh. The cool thing in 3Dcoat is everything is really well explained, and you can have it in French, in Chinese, in Korean, English, etc. So import reference mesh, and I'm gonna choose turtle monster for Retopo. This is the 1 million point polygonal mesh that I've just exported. You see, is reading the data for the object, and here we are. We are in the Retopo part of 3Dcoat. It's a Maya-like navigation, and you see it's very the shader used in the Retopo is really clean. You can really see what you're doing, and you can really see the aspect of the mesh. So I can turn off the grid. Okay, and the essentials tools are for the Retopo are here. And I'm first going to show you a really cool one. It's strokes. If you use a stroke and you draw a line across the model, you see some lines here, and then you draw not across the model from the where it's empty, but on the model, and you drop you drop this line. You don't have to worry about the points, all the little points here. This is a point for adjusting the line, and we don't need that. I'm just gonna press enter and look at that. There is already a topology, a new topology created in the way that it follows. It snaps on the high res mesh, and it's doing the job pretty well. It's really amazing. Starting from that, you can do the same technique somewhere else. Let's say if you do something like that, and then another one like that, and then you draw across and enter, you see this is amazing. It already did some edge loop with faces. If I go on the quad tool here, you see that the commands are, there are more commands than in the stroke option, and I show you this because you can use all this function to adjust the mesh quite neatly on the surface, and it's really quick. Look at that. If you click subdivide, it will subdivide the geometry, and if you click relax, it will try to follow the surface. Look at that. And if you do another subdivide, see, it really wrapped the topology, the new mesh, the topology mesh on the model, and it's very clean. Okay, but there are way too much faces now, and I need to do this subdivide and relax. At the last time when I finished the retopology with all the tools that are here. I'm going to show you that in the next video.